In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image in Canva template in PC. We'll start right from your desktop browser. Open your preferred browser and search for Canva. Click the official Canva website to launch it. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log in with your account. Any Canva plan will work for this tutorial. Once you're in, give the page a moment to fully load so you see all the editing options. A stable internet connection helps here, especially if you plan to upload larger images in the next steps. From the Canva homepage, look for the Create button. Clicking this opens a range of design options. If you already know the size you need, that's great. But for today, you can simply pick a design type and then choose a template you like. You can browse by categories or use the search bar to find a style that fits your project, whether it's a social post, flyer, or presentation. When you select a template, it opens in the Canva editor with all the editing tools on the left. To bring your image into the design, head to the left sidebar and click on Uploads. This panel is where all your uploaded media lives. Then click Upload Files. A file picker will open so you can choose an image from your computer. Canva supports common formats like JPG and PNG. Choose a clear, high-resolution photo for best results, especially if your design will be printed. After selecting your file, you'll see an upload progress indicator. Larger files may take a few moments, so wait until the thumbnail appears and shows as fully uploaded. Once your image finishes uploading, click the thumbnail to place it onto your template. If your template includes a photo frame, the image will snap into it automatically. If it lands on the canvas instead, just drag it to where you want it. You can resize the image by pulling the corner handles to keep the proportions, and you can rotate it using the rotate handle above the image. Drag to reposition until it looks balanced. Watch for Canva's smart alignment guides to center your image or align it with other elements. If any part of the photo feels too tight against the edges, give it a bit of breathing room. Zoom in for precise placement and zoom out to check the overall layout. When it looks right, you're done. That's all it takes to add an image to a Canva template on a PC. Follow these steps and you'll be ready to customize any design with your own photos quickly and confidently.